this episode, observing your risks. There can be just as much crack getting about the place defensively, or just deciding to run red lights. Depending on the level of risk you're willing to take, you can get away with things for some time, but the longer you get away scot-free, I find the more my mind will start thinking risks really don't have consequences. Also, the more risky moves you get away with, observe how your mind will start giving you the go-ahead on taking more dangerous moves. Driving a motorbike is sort of like a discipline, and observing your threshold for risk-taking could be a part of that discipline. I found a good place to start really monitoring your level of risk is to look back on the risky move you've just taken. In replaying it, replay it with the worst possible consequences. It could assist you, or at least get you thinking about that risk for the next time that situation comes along. Also realising that you are on a metal box while the majority of others are sitting in a metal box, it brings back into perspective what absolute insanity it is to drive a motorbike. The concept of the thing probably wouldn't even be made legal if it was invented today. It is possible to have as much crack messing about defensively as it is driving about the place with too much aggression or assertiveness. Remembering the footage has been manipulated in some parts, and observations are made with the benefit of hindsight, actions that I'd like to think I'd have time to take if in the same position as the motorcyclist. If you have something to add, or if you disagree with any of the observations made, drop it in the comments and they will be read by viewers, and your comments will be taken on board to improve future videos in this series. Hit subscribe on YouTube if you want to follow the next few of these. Tap the bell button for future notifications. Hope you can take something from it. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.